Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video, tinatawag na Jollibee. Jollibee baka naman no. Jollibee baka naman, Jollibee. Jollibee baka naman, Jollibee. Jollibee. Jollibee baka naman, Jollibee. Jollibee. Please na. Baka naman oh. Baka naman Jollibee oh. Baka naman Jollibee. Diba? So ngayon guys, so maglalaro po tayo ng Jollibee. Ito po. Jollibee, jolly, 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 Jollibee, jolly, jolly. Okay, tama na yun. Baka tayo copyright. So ngayon, so maglalaro po tayo ng Jollibee na restaurant and Jollibee baka naman no, libreng pagkain naman Jollibee, ang mahal ng mga bilihin dito. So ngayon, let's try order na po tayo ng Jollibee. So yan. Hello, welcome to Jollibee. How may I take your order? So I want a burgers. Gusto yung jump solo, tsaka gusto ko ng breakfast. Ano kayo pinamagandang breakfast sa Jollibee guys? Comment down below. So eto, gusto ko naman yun yung kahit yun lang, kahit yung solo lang. Ito. Jumbo fries, tsaka Coke float. Isang ganun lang. Okay, please wait for your order. Thank you. Okay, thank you Jollibee. Jollibee baka naman Jollibee to. Si best friend Jollibee. Best friend Jollibee. Ito na. Claim the order. Ito na po ang order. So let's eat our food. So ngayon, let's get sit here. Okay? How to sit? Okay, there you go. Let's go sit down. There you go. So ngayon guys, tayo ay kakain tayo dito sa my Jollibee sa Roblox, okay? Ito na po ating jumbo fries. Yes, and Coke float. There you go. So, ito lang po yung ating budget. Wala pa tayong mahal pinakamahal na budget. So, ito lang po talaga yung pinakakaya natin bilhin. Kasi ang mahal ng Jollibee, baka naman Jollibee no. Jollibee baka naman sana lahat ng burger mo libre na no. Jollibee baka naman no. Baka naman. Okay, so let's get it. Okay? There you go. Let's get it. Let's eat this. Oh, yummy. Yummy naman guys. Yummy. Hotdog, cheese dog, kakalog-kalog. So, yan. There you go. Okay. Ang sarap naman ng food guys, no? Jumbo fries, tsaka, isang burger na, champ burger solo. Sarap niyan, guys. Sobrang sarap niyan. Legit. Pag kinaya mo yan, ubos agad. There you go. So, let's try drink this. This Coke float. There you go. Coke float. Uy, Coke float. O, para siyang kape. Ay, kape. Coffee. There you go. Let's drink that. Jollibee. Gusto ko ng libreng burger. Baka naman. Jolly. Jollibee. Jolly. Okay. So, last naman is jumbo fries. Ang pinakamalaking jumbo fries sa buong mundo. Ano daw? Pero anyways, let's try this one. So, meron tayong level 4. Okay, I'm level 4. Level 4 na po tayo ngayon, okay? So, let's take the price. Hey. Oy, there you go. Abandon na yan, guys. Okay. Let's eat this fries. Paniso, mukbang. Mukbang ate. Mukbang. Sarap no. Naiinggit ako guys, sobrang naiinggit ako. Yo, what the heck? Eating in Jollibee Chicken Joy. Crispylicious, juicylicious. Ano daw? Bayan. Hindi ako marunong kumain ng Jollibee burger. Okay, so ngayon, kayo mga crew kayo, ha? Jollibee. Baka naman na meron kayo libreng burger dyan, no? Baka naman Jollibee. Gusto nyo Jollibee. Gusto ko kumain ng maraming Jollibee. Gusto ko kumain ng maraming burger dito, Jollibee. Baka naman Jollibee, no? Gusto ko ng maraming burger, Jollibee. Ayoko ng konting burger kasi I'm very hungry in real life. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the like button dyan kung naka-subscribe na po kayo. So, anyways, let's go to the second floor. Wow, my birthday! Let's go. My birthday ako, guys. I have a birthday. Open this. I have my birthday. My birthday is already almost there. Hey, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. There you go. So anyway, so let's try. Okay, Fallen Summer Air. So ngayon guys, let's try naman na lumabas sa Jollibee kasi sobrang init sa Jollibee guys. Walang silang aircon. De joke lang. So I don't judge the Jollibee kung mahal siya, edi masarap, 'di ba? Kung walang aircon, okay lang 'yan, 'di ba? So ngayon, ito yung pinaka mismong Jollibee niya. Oy, si Jollibee, oh. Jollibee. Jolly. Yoko na guys, baka kasi tayo copyright. Ayoko makopyright, baka naman magalit si YouTube. Yo, meron ditong guys, big bike. Sana all may big bike dito. Sana lang talaga may big bike guys. Sana all talaga. May kotse dito na hindi pwedeng pumasok. Bakit naman bawal, ha? Bakit naman bawal? Anong bawal, ha? Anong bawal, ha? What do you mean by that? So anyway, okay, become a crew. Please, I want to crew. Ba, ang mahal naman guys. May Robux pa guys, 160 Robux. Ano ba yan? Wala akong pera. Okay, so let's try here. Okay, there you go, sit down. There you go. Ang sarap ng Jollibee. Ang sarap ng Jollibee. Ang sarap ng Jollibee. Yum. There you go. Ang sarap ng Jollibee. Pag may libreng Jollibee. Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Panis. Abandon the chair. There you go. So, I need to get CR muna, okay? There you go. Bathroom. I mean, restroom pala yun. So, wow! Welcome to the bathroom. So, wow! Ang ganda naman ng mirror dito. Kulay puti. Kulay puti na hindi makita aking reflection. Okay, so let's get pee here. La 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 la. Let's get pee here. Oh my goodness. Let's go pee. I need to pee. There you go. Pee. There you go. Pee. Here you go. Here. Let's go. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. So anyway, so I done pee. Man and woman. Wow. Okay. So anyways. So let's get here. Stop only. Bakit naman? So meron dito si Ryu and yeah. So I think ang ganda ng Jollibee guys, sobrang ganda guys, legit. Yo, ang daming fries. Ang daming fries naman guys. I want this price. I want that French fries. Yo, crispy-licious and dewy-licious. And sino to? Who is this? I don't know you. Who are you? Hindi kita kilala. So anyways guys, so thank you for watching and please hit the like button dyan kung bago lang dito sa channel ko. So yun natin sa Jollibee na to and sana ma-enjoy nyo. Yan. Etong Jollibee to sobrang ganda guys, okay? Sobrang ganda ng Jollibee. Jollibee baka naman Jollibee to. Screenshot. There you go. Okay, I'm done screenshot. So ngayon guys, so thank you for watching guys and sana ma-enjoy nyo. Yeah. Okay, so thank you and goodbye. See ya. Paalam. Peace out. Thank you Jollibee. Baka naman Jollibee libreng burger. Peace.